Hi guys, just arrived in Vegas. Vegas airport is very interesting. They have slot machines right at the airport, so you can start playing, you know, all the slot machines and the casino right as soon as you get into the airport. Look at this. This is interesting. This is Vegas for you. Vegas welcomes you with casino right at the airport. So I'm going to just get my baggage, get an Uber, go to the hotel. This airport is pretty big. So we have to take a tram over here to get to the baggage claim. It is here. Alright, we're in the train. Kind of nice train.
Tram doors.
Wow, look at this. This is the baggage claim area. But there are slot machines right in the baggage claim area. So they want to make sure you play slot machines, you gamble as soon as you touch down, and then while even you're waiting for your baggage. Your baggage can be 5 to 10 minutes late. So you can utilize that time to play slot machines. This is just hilarious, but it's, you know, it's quite festive. It's past midnight. It doesn't feel like it's past midnight. I thought New York City was a 24/7 city, but my God, Vegas is hopping. This city really never sleeps. This is party time. So I'm in Vegas. Look at the lights. This city is hopping, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna just leave everything in the hotel, and I think I'm gonna just crash tonight. I'm not exploring anything, but let me see if we can get some sights. That's the kind of the night line. There's a city line. You can see all the casinos are over there. Not sure how much you could see, but I think we will get some good views as and when we approach the Las Vegas Strip. Pretty nice entrance. Look at this. Pretty gorgeous. Actually, this used to be the old SLS, I believe, and now it's, I think, changed ownership and called Sahara. Pretty nice. Beautiful lobby. You can totally see that. Ooh, it's already hopping. Absolutely hopping. Nice to be here. So we'll go and check in right now. I see there's a big line for check-in. That's expected. It's Vegas after all. Wow. Big line. It's like I'm checking on American Airlines or something like that. So after, God knows, waiting for close to 45 minutes at the check-in hotel check-in, my head is not working anymore. It's so late. Got this room. They were going to send me to actually give me a smoking room. I just can't believe this. When I'm not only a non-smoker, I hate the smell of smoke. Nothing against smokers, just my, personal preference. They were going to push me to a smoking room. So I created hell. I just basically say, asked for the manager because they won't. I mean, imagine if you have really got asthma or something like that and you don't want to stay in a smoking room, they were going to push that on me. This was ridiculous. But you know what? They redeemed themselves with actually a very nice room. Very, very nice room. The bed, let me just do the test. Oh, this is so good. So soft. Oh my God, this is nice. This is nice. Can't complain, but let's check the room. So this is how you switch on and switch off. This is very super cool. And then pretty spacious. Let's see what's the view is when you pull up the curtain. Nothing much. Oh, actually, you can see the big hotels over there. Let's check how the closet space and everything else is. Pretty nice and clean bathroom. Nice shower right over here. Pretty big closet. So all in all, Sahara is a pretty nice hotel. This used to be SLS before. Now it's Sahara. The only complaint I have is how they treat you when you come to the hotel. They have no empathy, no sympathy that you have maybe, flown for 6, 7, 8 hours and you are there and they're pushing you up smoking room when you are a non-smoker and you might have allergies, you might have asthma. They were like, nope, that is it. Until I said that I'm not going to stay in a smoking room. That's just not acceptable. When I put my foot down, that's the only time they called the manager and make this happen. So they actually had a room. It's not that they didn't have a room, but this is what it is. It's just bad customer service, unfortunately. But having said that, I really love the room. There's no complaints about the room. This is a fantastic room, and it's very reasonable. If you book well in advance, it could be like about $50-$60, not more than that for a place like this. And if you book a little bit late, it's still about $100. And anywhere else in Vegas, it could be $300, $400, $500 because it's like a conference or something going on right now, so everything is super expensive. But I'm quite happy with the room and the price that I paid for it. So tomorrow we'll check the strip, we'll go to some nice bars, restaurants, and show you guys around. Good night, guys.